Okay. The dishes are outside there, and these are the last two. This is warm oatmeal, not hot. Just instant oatmeal. Probably should do the cook up, but okay. And then we put that in. We've got some mealyworms, some sunflower seeds, and we've got these organic herbs from Scratch and Patch. I bought these on I don't remember, maybe Amazon, maybe someplace else. Anyway, I just heard of Grubbly Farms having some. So next I'm going to try those. Okay, I'm going to stir this up a little bit. And then I'm going to put it out there. But I got this idea from Dahlia at Welcome to Chickenlandia's YouTube channel. Highly recommend all chicken owners watch that channel. So this one, this side over here is a little drier. Let me check the temperature. Okay, that's good. Over here, that's a little cooler. So, yeah. Okay. Now to carefully carry these through the front door. These are containers from takeout that I'm going to be using for the chickens. And let's see. Girls were pushing each other out, and I had to move the thing down here because the sprinkler system's on over there. So, okay, where'd you guys go? Daisy, you're over here all huddled down because you're cold? Uh-huh. Well, there you go. There's a nice bowl of nummies for you. Yeah. Daisy's one of our oldest chickens. Uh-huh. Okay. Toffee, you're puffed out. You look a little cold too. That's understandable. It's cold weather. Okay. Penguin, why don't you come in and get you something to eat? Yeah, come inside the fence. Okay, so it's not a good idea to give this to them every morning, but at least the mornings we're going to have the coldest temperature, and this morning it was down below 30. So that's the point where I do stuff like this. A variety of things. Just like when I had horses years ago. We would give them a hot beer mash with their feed. Just take beer, let it sit overnight so it would lose some of its fizz, and then we would heat it up. Well, actually we would heat hot water up, put it with their feed, and pour the beer into it. Oh, those horses thought that they'd died and gone to heaven. Of course, Christmas, when we do it, we would give them Guinness. I mean, why not? It's Christmas. You give them the good stuff. All right, let me get this here and see if Little Miss Penguin will eat some of it. And Dobby and Brownie are scratching around where there used to be one of my favorite roses until my husband accidentally pulled it out when it was entangled with a weed that had quickly started growing and choking the rose out. So I have to find that same rose. Anybody know where I can get an Abraham Darby rose? That would be great. Okay, so I also threw out some leftover peas, snap peas from last night's dinner, and that's Mellow and that's Toffee, and they're down through here eating. So yeah, this is kind of a cool breeze coming down through here. So I'm going back in and I'm getting myself a cup of coffee. And we will sit and watch the frenzy at the bird feeders, which is, I'm sure, going to happen. Always does after a cold night. So, there you go. Later.